Hello everyone, I congratulate everyone on the coming new year and wish that there will be only profits in the new year. From December 31 to January 1st, of course, we will celebrate this wonderful holiday with our families. And then, during all the holidays, we will have a good opportunity to pay attention to the financial market. Because if you work on weekdays and the market is closed on weekends, the New Year holidays are just a good moment to sit by the fireplace quietly with a cup of mulled wine to make money on the Forex market. And right now I will tell you about the New Year Forex trading strategy. What is it? What is this chart? This is a chart of the S&P 500 index, and it is with this index that the concept of Santa Claus New Year Rally is connected. In the 50s of the last century, the famous analyst Spruce Hush noticed that the last 5 days of December and the first 2 days of January are characterized by the fact that the American stock market is growing, and naturally the S&P 500 index is also growing, and of course we can make money on it too. You can say, what's the big deal? The S&P index is already in an uptrend. However, from time to time it also falls, and the interesting thing is that according to statistics, over the past 75 years, these are the days when the S&P 500 index has risen the most. 80% of the time out of 100, the S&P 500 index has shown a rise, not a fall, which means we can ride this Santa Claus rally and capitalize on it too. What's the reason for this rally? There are a lot of different theories, but most importantly, it's the holiday spirit. Secondly, people receive bonuses and naturally invest them in stocks. This is very developed in America. And thirdly, and most importantly, I believe it is a psychological factor. That is, for many years and even decades, people have gotten used to the fact that at this time the index is growing, and accordingly, everyone starts buying it in order to make money on it. And since everyone buys it, the demand grows, and naturally the S&P index grows too. Yes then, after the first days of January, there can be a correction. But during these 7 days, the index can show a good growth. So, let's take a closer look and at the same time, analyze the chart, make a technical analysis to understand where it is best to enter the deal. Let's take a look at the H4 time frame. Here we can see that the index has recently been near its historical highs. This is quote 6110. And look, I'll show you, the previous high was here. Then the price corrected downwards and tried to break this high again, but it failed and turned around in the same place. So we have formed two reversal points. And now, if the price comes up again, we can expect that the price will break from this line again. Yes, it may be short term, but nevertheless, it can happen. At the moment, price is in a small correction. If it goes further down, we need to find a point where to enter to buy. Let me draw a support line. This is what the support line looks like. If the price goes down, there will be a reversal point near this support line. This is where you can buy and capitalize on the upside. Or, if we enter the deal right now, at this level, then if the price goes up, we will be in the plus. If the price goes down, we can average and buy near the support line. That is, we can work on the averaging strategy. And by the way, my trading robot also works by the averaging strategy. Therefore, if you anticipate that you will open orders here, you can just put my trading robot and do not watch the market. By the way, I am a partner of AMarkets, and if you have not tried the trading robot yet, this robot will be completely free for you. Write to me in Telegram at the link in the description. I will tell you how to get it. Now let's take a look at other currency pairs, because not only the S&P 500 is in a positive mood, but also the dollar. And those pairs that are linked to the dollar are also showing upward positive dynamics. The New Year trading strategy is to ride the positive market movement, and in particular, the dollar is also in uptrends. Let's take a look at the pair of the dollar and the Japanese yen. Right now, it has broken through the resistance line. I expect that there may still be a correction to the support line. If it does, we can buy from it and make money on the growth at this reversal point. And if the price goes further, it may reach the maximum of 161%. If this happens, then of course, we should pay attention to the fact that the price may break from this level before going further. This will be a reversal point for selling, from which it will be possible to sell and make money on a short-term decline. It is quite possible that the price will go further up. The pair USD-KD where the dollar is also in the first place, is also in such consolidation. It is quite possible that this consolidation will be broken by an upward movement. This is how the high of 1.44652 looks like. The price has not reached it a little bit. It is accumulating forces. Quite possibly it will go further. If it reaches it, we can also count on a short-term decline before further upward movement. And then it will be possible to buy and count on growth. From the resistance line, we also sell, earning on the decline. The last currency pair is the dollar Swiss franc. Right now, on the H1 time frame, it is showing the breakdown of its maximum. It has consolidated a little bit. It is quite possible that it will go further. And if it goes further, the next high will be 0.92.171. This is also likely to pull the price up. If the price reaches this level, there will be a reversal point to sell here. From it, it will be possible to sell and capitalize on the decline. And of course, do not forget that the positive can pull the price of the dollar Swiss franc even further up. These are the signals within the New Year trading strategy. You can save this video. It will most likely happen again next year. I'm very curious if this year, how strong the upward movement will be. The Santa Claus Rally, I hope it pays off and we make money on it together. So I wish everyone a successful trading week. I'll see you in the new year. Profit, everybody. Bye bye.